Yeah, hello.
Okay,
Hello.
okay.
Hello.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello. How are you? Thank you. Can you hear me? I can't hear you.
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Namaste. Namaste.
Oh,
Namaste.
namaste, namaste.
Yeah, namaste. Yeah, okay. Can we wait for some time?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I don't know
Yeah.
why nobody
Nobody, no
is
one
here.
is joined, no? That is why we will
Yeah,
wait for some time.
yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Hello. We will wait for some time. Hello. We will wait for some time, Ji. Only two are joined. Only two joined. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but not sure
Yeah,
who's
okay,
hearing
okay.
us.
Yeah, no. Another sir is joined, no?
I'm not sure he's hearing us yet. So
Yeah,
he's
correct,
also on
correct.
mute though. He's on mute also. So we'll see.
Yes. Yeah, hello. Hi, everyone.
Good
Hi.
evening, ma'am.
Madam.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
I think you can start, Padma.
Yeah, I can start, but I can't see participants. I'm seeing what I should do.
But okay, so just check if they are able
Yeah.
to see you and if they are able to hear you,
Yeah,
you can
they can
start.
hear me, but the
Okay.
thing is, I can't see all participants. That is why I'm searching. That's all.
Seven participants are there. Seven participants.
7 participants are there, but I can't see all in on screen on my screen actually. I'm at US right now, so some problem with my Zoom. That is why my husband send that link. That is the problem. Yeah, can we start the class?
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
we
Padma,
can.
We can.
Padma,
Yes.
Padma,
Ah.
listen. I think
Mm-hmm.
if you scroll to right side, left side, if you scroll, you will see all.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Yes.
Now
Yes.
you can see now.
Yeah, I can able it. I can able it.
Oh,
I can able.
super.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some echo is heard. Echo is there.
Echoing.
Some echo is there actually.
For all it is there like that. Otherwise, for all
No,
you are getting the
No, ma'am.
echoing.
No, we are
Yeah,
no,
not
for
getting
you
the
no, we
from
are
your
okay here.
side, ma'am. Uma ma'am, from your
Yes.
side that is the problem.
Acha. Okay.
Yeah, you can leave and join once again.
Uh-huh.
And one more, this one is there from your side. One more account is joined. That is why it is echoing for you. You cancel that. Otherwise, you can remove, sir. You can remove, sir. My husband, I'm asking.
Ah,
You can remove the Uma Shankaran. One more, this one is there.
okay. I will try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am left, I think.
Okay.
This one is there. Yeah, we'll see later. Yeah, we'll
Now
start the
you can
class.
proceed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can start.
What Shruti
Which is G hash.
G prime.
G hash. Yes.
Yeah.
Anyone can unmute and you can sing that sapasa. I can hear then. Sa. Yeah, this is that song I sent in the group. That is Dasara Rachne, Vijay Dasara Rachne. Okay, Dasara Rachne, and the ragam is Hamsadvani. Lyrics I sent already. Pallavi, I sing and I'll show you. Do you know that Hamsadvani Ragam Arohanam and Avarohanam? You don't know. Okay, only bhajans you are learning it.
I know. Sari
Yeah.
Gapani Sa Sani Pagari Sa.
Very good. Very good. Yes, correct. Pallavi, I'll show and I'll sing and show you. Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana Sharanu Suragana Sevita Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana Sharanu Suragana Sevita Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka Sharanu Vikna Vinashaka Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka Sharanu Vikna Vinashaka Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana Sharanu Suragana Sevita. It will come like that. So Pallavi, I'll teach first. Anyone can unmute and you can repeat. Sharanu Gajamukha
शरण गजमुख आकवाह
Sharanu Suragana
शरण सुरगण
Sevita
सेविता
Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana
चरण गजमुख आकवाहन
Sharanu Suragana Sevita
शरण सुरगण सेविता
Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka
शरण सकलाभीष्टदायका
Sharanu Vikna Vinashaka
शरण विघ्न विनाशका
Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka
शरण सकलाभीष्टदायका
Sharanu Vikna Vinashaka
शरण विघ्न विनाशका.
Yeah. In this, two sanktis it came. Okay. Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka Sharanu Vikna Vinashaka. First one. Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka Sharanu Vikna Vinashaka. Second one. Yeah, again I'll teach that Pallavi. Any other can unmute. Only Pallavi I'll teach. Sharanu Gajamukha. Amma, Uma Amma, you can unmute.
Okay.
Sharanu Gajamukha.
Sharanu Gajamukha
Akuvahana
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 Akuvahana.
Ma, you are giving that gamakam, that pushing, no? Don't give that gamakam, plain note. Akuvahana
Akuvahana
Vahana
Vahana
Sharanu Sharanu Gajamukha
शरणु गजमुख
आकुवाहना
आकुवाहना
शरणु सुरगणा
शरणु सुरगणा
सेविता
सेविता शरणु गजमुख
आकुवाहना
आकुवाहना शरणु
शरणु no amma no amma शरणु सुरगणा
शरणु सुरगणा
सेविता
सेविता
शरणु सकलाभीष्ट
शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक
शरणु विघ्न विनाशक
शरणु विघ्न विनाशक.
That pitch is a little bit tough for you. While practicing, you can keep G.
Okay.
You're comfortable. Otherwise, you can go for F sharp also. No worries.
Okay. Thank you.
शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक
शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक
शरणु विघ्न विनाशक
शरणु विघ्न विनाशक.
Can I keep G? Otherwise, I can keep G, but that gents are there, no?
No,
Meaning,
madam, afterwards my voice will go low, means clarity will not be there of the words. As you say that high pitch, I have to go for.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. शरणु गजमुखा कुवाहना
शरणु गजमुख वाहना
शरणु सुरगण सेविता
शरणु सुरगण सेविता.
Yeah, this talam is chapu. Chapu means this one, Mishra chapu. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Takita, taka, dhimi. Takita, taka, dhimi. Takita, taka, dhimi. Like that it will come, okay? Yeah, any other can unmute. Sharanu Gajamukha.
शरणु गजमुख
Akuvahana.
आकुवाहना
Akuvahana means rat. Rat is there, no? Vahanam. Yeah. Akuvahana.
आकुवाहना
Sharanu Suragana.
शरणु सुरगण
Sevita.
सेविता
शरणु गजमुखा कुवाहना
शरणु गजमुखा
शरणु सुरगण सेविता शरणु सुरगण
शरणु सुरगण
सेविता
सेविता
शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक
शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक
शरणु विघ्न विनाशक
शरणु विघ्नविनाशक.
First one is शरणु विघ्न विनाशक first one. What you sang just now, first one that is. Second one is Sharanu Vighna Vinashaka. That is second one. Yeah. Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka.
Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka.
Sharanu Vighna Vinashaka.
Sharanu Vighna Vinashaka.
Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka.
Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka.
Not Sakala, 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 Sakalam, Sakalam, Sakala, Sa. Sharanu. Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka.
Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka. Sakala.
Sakala. Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka.
Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka.
Sharanu Vighna Vinashaka.
Sharanu Vighna
Sharanu Vighna.
Sharanu Vighna Vinashaka.
That is first Sangati. From the beginning, you are singing first Sangati only. Vinashaka.
Vinashaka.
Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana.
Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana.
Sharanu Suragana Sevita.
Sharanu Suragana Sevita.
Yes, sir. Ram Prasad, sir. Now you have to.
Okay, ma'am.
Your switch box on.
What, madam? 15 so? I will reduce, madam.
Yeah.
Okay. Sharanu Gajamukha.
No. Pitch is different. Whatever you have taken, the pitch is different. Little high you have taken.
I have taken G sharp. G sharp down. I have taken.
No. What you sang just now.
Okay. Okay. Sharanu Gajamukha. Asumagana. Sharanu Suragana. Sevita. Sharanu Gajamukha.
It's like, yeah. You're singing like that.
Yes.
I'm singing little low pitch.
Sharanu Gajamukha. Apuvagana. Sharanu Suragana Sevita. Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka. I am going up, I think.
Yeah, you're singing up on the thing.
Yes. Sharanu Sakala Bhishtadayaka. I am going up, I think. Sharanu Sakala. I'm bit up, I think.
You are taking very high pitch.
Okay. Sadhanu sakala. Sadhanu.
No.
Sadhanu. Sadhanu. No. Sadhanu sakala. Sadhanu sakala.
I think this.
No, can I give a shot to E, madam? E with that, can I give E? I try to keep.
No, I think
How does get sharp, madam? Sadhanu sakala. Bhishtadayaka.
We are not supposed to divide that Sakala Bhishtadayaka. Sakala Bhishtadayaka, that is one word only. We are not supposed to divide. But you are not getting the pitch, no? I divided that word.
Sadhanu sakala Bhishtadayaka.
Yeah, Bhishtadayaka, you are not supposed to divide the word.
Okay. Sadhanu sakala Bhishtadayaka.
For practicing, you can go for original pitch, whatever you sang just now.
Okay.
You can go for. But for all others convenient, I kept the G sharp.
Okay.
G hash. Okay. And ladies and male and female singers, according to that, I kept that G hash pitch. Otherwise, you can practice your own pitch, whatever you are singing regularly, that following regularly, that pitch you can keep and you can practice.
Okay. Sadhanu.
Yeah, one second, I'll change E only, no? You said?
I think I'll check E, madam. No, A sharp I'm singing regularly. I kept E now. Sadhanu Vigna Vinashaka. This is E, madam.
Only.
Okay, I'll keep D as well.
Because I'm getting confusion.
Okay. Sadhanu Gajamukha Akuvagana. Sadhanu
Sadhanu. Last we had taken that pitch only you can sing. You are getting confusion and you are taking very high pitch.
Okay, madam. What is the pitch I will take, madam?
I think it is B, C, like that I am getting. A sharp, B.
A sharp, keep it. Generally, I think A sharp only. Just keep sing, madam. Sadhanu Gajamukha Akuvagana.
But you can't sing very high we are going now in between.
Okay.
Okay, you can. Hello.
Okay.
I'm not getting.
Yes, I will
Yeah.
follow. Okay.
Next charanam, first charanam I'll teach. Amma, Uma, you can unmute. Hema khachita,
Hema khachita,
kirita kundala,
kiriti kundala. అది కీర్తియా కిరీతియా మేడం?
కిరీట కుండల.
అచ్చా కిరీటం. అచ్చా.
హేమ ఖచిత,
హేమ ఖచిత,
కిరీట కుండల,
కిరీట కుండల,
కామిత ఫల,
కామిత ఫల,
దాయక,
దాయక,
హేమ ఖచిత,
హేమ ఖచిత,
kirita. This one also two. This one is there. Sangatis. Hema khachita. First one. Second one. Hema khachita. Like that.
హేమ ఖచిత,
Kirita kundala.
కిరీటి కుండల,
Kamita.
కామిత,
ఫలదాయక,
ఫలదాయక,
అమిత సౌలభ్య,
అమిత సౌలభ్య,
సకల శాస్త్రో,
సకల శాస్త్రో.
That is also Shastro Dhama. That is one word.
Achha.
Okay, but that I am dividing the word because I have to teach, no, like that. That is why. Sakala Shastro Dhama.
Sakala Shastro Dhama.
Vidya.
Vidya.
Sharadhiye.
Sharadiye.
Amita Saulabhya.
Amita Saulabhya.
Sakala Shastro Dhama.
Sakala Shastro Dhama.
Vidya Sharadhiye.
Vidya Sharadiye.
Yeah, last Sharadhiye also. Sharadhiye. First one. Sharadhiye. Second one. While if you are listening the recording, you can get.
Achha.
Yeah. If you are the differences, two differences Sangatis are there, no? You can get while practicing, you have to listen carefully and you should practice more times, then you can get easily.
Okay.
Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana.
Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana.
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 Now, you are giving va. Immediate va, you are giving the gamakam, no? After Akuva Vahana.
Kuvahana.
Sharanu Suragana Sevita.
Sharanu Suragana Sevita.
Yeah. Next, any other can unmute. Khachita Kirita Kundala.
हेम खचित किरीट कुंडला
Kamita Phaladayaka.
कामिता फलदायका
खचित किरीट कुंडल
हेम
no
काचित
no no no
कीर
हेमा हेमा
हेम
खचित
हेम कचित
किरीट कुंडल
किरीट कुंतला
कामिता फलदायक
कामिता फलदायका
अमित सौलभ्य
अमित सौलभ्य
सकल शास्त्रोधाम
सकल शास्त्रोधाम
विद्याशरथिये
विद्यासरथिये
अमित सौलभ्य सकल शास्त्रोधाम
अमित अमित सौम्ये सकल
सौलभ्य
शास्त्रो
सौलभ्य अमित
सौलभ्य
सौलभ्य सकल शास्त्रोधाम
आमा
विद्याशरथिये अमित सौलभ्य सकल शास्त्रोधाम
अमित सौलभ्य सकल शास्त्रोधाम
विद्याशरथिये
विद्याशरथिये
शरणु गजमुख कुवाहन
चरणु गजमुख आकुवाहन
शरणु सुरगण सेविता
शरणु सुरगण सेविता
I'll sing Pallavi, first Charanam, and again repeat Pallavi. शरणु गजमुख कुवाहन शरणु तुरगण सेविता शरणु गजमुख कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक शरणु विघ्न विनाशक शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक शरणु विघ्न विनाशक शरणु गजमुख कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता खचित किरीट कुंडल अमिता फलदायक खचित किरीट कुंडल अमिता फलदायक अमित सौलभ्य सकल शास्त्रोधाम विद्या शरथिये अमित सौलभ्य सकल शास्त्रोधाम विद्या शरथिये शरणु गजमुख कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता okay yeah Kritinga Kritiga Kritiga ore yeah Kritika ji yeah Hema khachita
हेमखचिता
किरीट कुंडला
किरीटकुण्डला
कामिता फलदायक
कामिता फलदायका
हेम खचित किरीट सकल शास्त्रोत्थाम विद्याशरथिये अमित सौलभ्य सकल शास्त्रोत्थाम विद्याशरथिये सकल शास्त्रोत्थाम विद्याशरथिये शरणु गजमुख खुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता Yeah, second charanam. I'll start from you only. What happened?
Can you explain the meaning?
1 second. Yeah. Question you are asking?
Yeah, ma'am. I for this charanam, first charanam, can you explain the meaning, ma'am?
Meaning? This is Sanskrit only. Sakala
If you are knowing the meaning of the stanza, it will be little better understanding.
Hema Khachita Kirita Kundala. We are describing the Vinayaka. How he is. Hema Khachita Kirita Kundala. Hema means gold. Hema Khachita Kirita Kundala. Yeah. Kirita. Kirita means that Kirita. Yeah. Yeah. What we wore. Kirita Kundala. Kundala means that haram. What we will the chains.
Yes, the jewelry as well as the ornaments.
Kamita Phaladayaka. Kamita Phaladayaka means he will give the this Vignadayaka like that. Kamita Phaladayaka. Okay, Vignadayaka. Vignadayaka means he do the work properly. No, he will bless us, wish us for us that one only. No, bless for us that one only. No? That is the. Himakachita kirita kundala kamita amita saulabhya. Yeah, he knows all the shastrams. He is a jnani, no, buddhi jnani. His knowledge is he is the great knowledge he is having, that one. He is having very, very great knowledge. Sakala shastro dhama vidya sharadhiye. That you can give me that blessing, you can bless us. So we also know about like you, like that. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Second charanam. Pashamodhaka. Parashudhara. Panibhosha Parvati. Nandana. Yeah. We are describing Ganesha. Describing means we are telling that you are having this and all. Pasha Modaka Parashudhara Hanibhusha Parvati Nandana. We are describing Parvati Nandana, how he is. Pasha Modaka Parashudhara. Parashudhara means that Shiva Tandri, no? Shiva is his father, right? Yeah. Parvati Nandana, you are Shiva, Parvati Nandana, Kumara, like that, son. Yeah. Like that. Nandana Vasavarjita Vijaya Vithalana. That it is coming, that pen name, Vijaya Dasara pen name. It is Vijaya Vithalana Dasabhu Gananayaka. Means Vijaya Dasara Padagalu. If we are singing Dasara Rachanas, they will describe Vithala. Vithala, Purandara Vithala means Purandara Dasa Rachanas. We will pen name is Vithala. Their pen name is Vithala only. Yeah. If we are learning or singing any Dasar Padagalu means it will come that pen name Vithala.
Okay.
Vijayadasara name it came. That pen name it came. Last two lines, that is only. Yeah. You got it, no meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Ganesh.
Pashamodhaka Parashudhara.
Pasamodaka Parasudhara.
Panibhusha Parvati.
Panibhusha Parvati.
Nandana.
Nandana.
Pashamodhaka. Again, that second time. First time is Pashamodhaka Parash. That is plain. Second time Pashamodhaka. Second Sangati it is coming. Parashudhara.
Parashudhara.
Panibhusha Parvati.
Panibhusha Parvati.
Nandana. Vasavarjita.
Vasavajita.
Vijaya Vithalana.
Vijaya Vithalana.
Dasabhu Gananayaka.
Dasabhu Gananayaka.
Vasavarjita.
Vasavajita.
Vijaya Vithalana.
Vijaya Vithalana.
Dasabhu Gananayaka.
Dasabhu Gananayaka.
Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana.
Sharanu Gajamukha Kuvahana.
Sharanu Suragana Sevita.
Sharanu Suragana Sevita.
Sharanu Sakalabhistadayaka.
Sharanu Sakalabhistadayaka.
Sharanu Vighna Vinashaka.
Sharanu Vinashaka.
Sharanu 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 Sharanu.
Sharanu Sharanu.
Sharanu 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 Sharanu.
Sharanu
Sharanu Sharanu. Sharanu Sharanu. Yeah, conclude the song. You should conclude like that. Yeah. Any Amma, otherwise Venkata Raman sir. Any other
Yeah.
can unmute. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I will. Yeah.
Pashamodhaka Parashudhara.
पाशमोदक परशुधरा.
Bhusha Parvati Nandana.
भूष पार्वती नंदना.
पाशमोदक परशुधरा
पाशमोदक परशुधरा
फणिभूषित पार्वती नंदना
फणिभूष पार्वती नंदना
वासवार्जित विजय विठलना
वासवाचित विजय विठलन
विजय विठलना
विजय विठलन
दास भोगणनायक
दाशभूगणनायका
वासवार्जित विजय विठलना
वासवाचित विजय विठलन
दास भोगणनायक
दाशभूगणनायका
शरणो गजमुख कुवाहना
शरणु गजमुख आकुवाहन
शरणु सुरगण सेविता
शरणु सुरगण सेविता
शरणु गजमुख कुवाहना
शरणु गजमुख आकुवाहन
शरणु सुरगण सेविता
शरणु सुरगण सेविता
शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायका
शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायका
शरणु विघ्न विनाशका
शरणु विघ्न विनाशका
शरणु 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 शरणु
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 Yeah, Amma. पाशमोदक परशुधरा
पाशमोदक परशुधरा
फणिभूष पार्वती नंदना
फणिभूष पार्वती नंदना.
Yeah, one small tip. You are taking that head voice means you are not supposed to stress that much.
Achha.
Okay, your head voice you should take very calmly. You should take head voice. It will come. It will come. If you are trying that, it will come from head. That voice.
After many years, I'm learning. After many years, I'm opening my voice. 70 years now.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I was in 10th standard, 8th to 10th. That time I was learning.
Okay.
I was singing, but not.
But you didn't forget. You didn't forget that Hamsadvani Ragam. Oh, nice. Very nice. Super. Yeah.
Yes.
पाशमोदक परशुधरा
पाशमोदक परशुधरा
फणिभूष पार्वती नंदना
फणिभूष पार्वती नंदना
वासवार्जित विजय विठलना
वासवार्जित विजय विठलना
दास भोगणनायका
दाश गणनायका
वासवार्जित विजय विठ्ठलना
वासवार्जित विजय विठ्ठलना दासभो गणनायका दासभो गणनायका
शरणु गजमुखा कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता
शरणु गजमुख कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता
शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायका
शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायका
शरणु
विनाशका
शरणु विनाशका
शरणु गजमुख कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक शरणु विनाशका शरणु विनाशका
शरणु 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 शरणु
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 शरणु शरणु शरणु शरणु.
Yeah, I'll sing full song now. शरणु गजमुखा कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता शरणु गजमुखा कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक शरणु विघ्न विनाशका शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक शरणु विघ्न विनाशका शरणु गजमुखा कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता हेम खचित किरीट कुंडल कामिता फलदायका हेम खचित कुंडल कामिता फलदायका अमित सौलभ्य सकल शास्त्रोद्या शरधिये अमित सौलभ्य सकल शास्त्रोद्या शरधिये शरणु गजमुखा कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता आशमोदक परशुधर फणिभूष पार्वती नंदना आशमोदक परशुधर फणिभूष पार्वती नंदना वासवार्जित विजय विठ्ठलना दासभूगणनायका वासवार्जित विजय विठ्ठलना दासभूगणनायका शरणु गजमुखा कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक शरणु विघ्न विनाशका शरणु सकलाभीष्ट विघ्नविनाशक शरणो विघ्नविनाशक शरणो 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 शरणो. Yeah, that is the song. Yeah. Yeah, you can practice and you can send the recording in a group. Okay? Yeah, within this week. Yeah. Kritika. Yeah.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you
Yes,
said
ma'am.
in the first charanam itself, the first line will be plain and the second line you are stressing about some gamakam, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you spot that place alone, ma'am? At which place we are giving that gamakam and where we are
Fourth line you are asking? Fourth line? Fourth line you are asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Seemakachita kirita kunda kamita phaladayaka amita saulabhya sakala shastrodhama vidya sharadhiye सकल शास्त्रोधाम विद्या शरधिये. First one. सकल शास्त्रोधाम विद्या शरधिये. First one. Okay, first sangati. सकल शास्त्रोधाम विद्या शरधिये. सकल शास्त्रोधाम विद्या शरधिये. Like that.
First
Got
one,
it, ma'am?
Sharadhiye.
Sharadhiye. Sharadhiye.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any others? Any doubts you are having? Sorry, sir, Ramprasad sir, I couldn't teach you because that pitch is out of pitch.
Okay,
You are
ma'am. Okay,
singing.
ma'am. I am now getting, madam. Thank you, madam.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Madam, that last one, Sharano, how many times we are singing, madam?
Your wish. You can end in within 1 or 2
But we
times.
have to
Your
go
wish
according to the
little
tal,
long.
na?
Yeah, your wish.
According to the tal, we can go, no?
Yeah, according to tal, you can.
Can you repeat? I don't know the talam actually. It's
Yeah.
Mishra Chapu and all, but how do you?
शरणु सुरगण सेविता शरणु गजमुख कुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक शरणु विघ्न विनाशक शरणु सकलाभीष्टदायक शरणु विघ्न विनाशक शरणु गजमुख आकुवाहन शरणु सुरगण सेविता.
So 6 beats, is it? 6.
6. You can leave one beat like that. After Charanam, after Pallavi, you can leave one beat free and you can start another Charanam like that.
Okay. This Mishra Chapu is 6 beats, is it?
Give me 7 notes. 1, 2,
7.
3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Ramprasad sir is doing well. Talam.
Takita, taka, dini, takita, taka, dini, takita.
Perfect. So, no doubts, no? Anybody is having doubts? Anyone?
No, madam.
Hope you liked.
Yes, madam.
Madam,
Really good. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
I just want to know whether Swara is there for this.
Swara, I don't think so. It is there.
Acha.
Yeah, it is difficult. No, very big song, right? Two Charanam song. I didn't keep the Swaram actually.
Okay.
Yeah, have to write that. If you want, means. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you can send me the feedback, how you enjoyed, how you liked the bhajan. Okay, that is very happy. That is very happy.
Very interesting raga, madam. Hamsadvani.
Yeah. So Hamsadvani is like that only, no?
Yes.
Obviously. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to see you all.
Thank you.
Nice to see you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Thank you,
bye
ma'am.
bye.
Nice
Good night.
section. Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
night.
Now, recording you will put now, madam.
Yes.
Okay.
You want a separate recording or in this enough?
This recording is okay, madam. Okay.
Separate recording.
Okay. Both okay, madam. Okay.
Yeah, I'll send very soon.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Happy to meet all of you.
Thank you. Good night. Good night.
Bye.